Hi, myself Aniket Deshmukh, and I have this device Nikon 3500, and currently I'm working in MSc as a senior associate, and I like to collect pictures about the natures mostly. And for this, I was looking for some event in the Pune itself, and I found this event. So about this event, this is really a good place to be in Pune to have this kind of experience about the nature experience. And this course is overall really insightful. I got to know a few things about that about my device itself that I was not aware, like about the autofocus, about the compositions part. So overall, this is a good course, and I would like to go for the another course, which is street photography course also. Yeah, that's it from
Hello,
my.
my name is Devdat Natekar. I work in Tech Mahindra. Besides the work, I want to develop photography, bird photography as my passion. I primarily started using this advanced photo shoot, point and shoot camera at my home, the birds around me. And now I want to go into further bird photography or wild photography, but I know still didn't really understand how to work with it. So in this session, I understood the exposure triangle, how to choose the background, how to choose the subject, how to work with the camera. Now need a little practice to work with, and would like to attend such many more sessions. So thank you.